Are WhatsApp calls consuming your data? Let's fix it. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Need to save data on WhatsApp calls. Click on the three dots at the top right hand corner again. Head to settings. From settings, click on storage and data. Then enable the use less data for calls toggle. Use less data for calls. Just toggle here and it will be activated. Use less data for calls. If your WhatsApp calls is consuming a lot of data, this is what you will do. Click here and toggle this. It will use less data for calls. Thanks for watching. Would you like to know other WhatsApp tricks and hacks you can use to get the most out of your WhatsApp? The link is in the description box below. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.